In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from Trello using a plugin. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and keep everything organized within Trello itself. Let's dive in and get started. First off, direct your attention to the rocket ship icon at the top right corner of your Trello board. This is your portal to the many enhancements Trello offers. Click on it and then select Add Power-Ups from the drop-down menu. Power-ups are essentially plugins crafted by third-party developers to integrate additional functionalities into your Trello workspace. Once you've accessed the Power-Up section, you'll want to search for Email for Trello by SendBoard. This is the add-on we'll be using to send emails directly from Trello. Simply click the Add button next to it. Once added, the button you clicked should now read Settings. Go ahead and give it a click to set up and authorize the plugin. During this setup process, you'll be prompted to create a SendBoard email. This email is a crucial part of the authorization, allowing SendBoard to manage email functionalities for you. Once you've completed this step and all authorizations are in place, you'll notice a shortcut button appearing at the top right of your Trello board, specifically for SendBoard. Go ahead and click this new shortcut icon and take a moment to configure your SendBoard details. You'll want to fill out information like your account name and determine who the account owner will be. Having everything in order here is essential for seamless communication down the line. Now that you've got everything set up, you're ready to start using it. Click on any card on your Trello board, and you should notice that a new option has appeared, courtesy of SendBoard. It's the new email button. This is your gateway to composing emails straight from Trello. To send an email, simply click on New Email, and you'll be able to start composing your message. Input all necessary details such as the recipient's email address, subject, and body of your email. Once you're satisfied with your email, hit Send to fire off your message. As an added convenience, any emails you dispatch will automatically be displayed right on the cards themselves. This feature keeps all your correspondence organized and accessible, directly linked to the relevant tasks or projects on Trello. And that's it. You've now integrated and configured the Email for Trello plugin and are ready to send emails directly from your Trello board. This tool is especially useful for teams looking to streamline their project management and maintain a robust communication channel without leaving Trello's interface. Thank you for watching, and I hope this enhances your Trello experience.